Take command of the road in the 2019 Ram 3500. This four-door, six-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, a bedliner, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.